Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how I made this stylized treasure chest using Maya, ZBrush and Substance Painter. This is a full time-lapse of my workflow from modeling all the way to texturing, and I'll also be using some of my own custom brushes and smart materials along the way. Alright, let's get started. I started out in Maya by blocking out the basic shapes of the chest. Just simple primitives at first, cubes for the body and lid, some beveled edges and a few extra pieces for the frame and hardware. Once the proportions felt right, I added more definition by adding more supporting edges and detail. I'm keeping things low poly and clean, since most of the stylized detail will come later from ZBrush. For the hinges and lock, I modeled them separately to make sculpting and UVing easier down the line. With the base mesh exported, I brought everything into ZBrush to start the sculpting pass. I dynameshed the main parts of the chest and used the move and trim brushes to push the forms and exaggerate shapes a little bit. To speed up detailing, I used some of my custom stylized brushes. These are part of a pack I made especially for stylized props, and they're great for quickly adding details to things like cracks, surface detail, etc. For the metallic parts, I used the trim dynamic a lot just to give it that surface dent look. Once I was happy with the sculpt, I went through and cleaned up some of the rough areas and smoothed out any unwanted noise. From there, I exported the high poly so that I could use it for bakes in Substance Painter. For the low poly, I'm just gonna use the original model that I created in Maya. Back in Maya, I started to create the UVs for the model. I kept everything in a single UV quadrant so that I could only use one texture for the whole thing in Substance Painter. I used pretty much standard UV mapping techniques in Maya by just pretty much selecting edges and cutting them, and then using the unfold tool, as well as laying the whole thing in one 0 to 1 space. Once everything was packed efficiently, I exported the mesh as an FBX and brought it into Substance Painter. Inside Substance Painter, I baked all the paths first, the normal, AO, curvature, and others. For this model, I used my 3DX Stylized Smart Materials 3.0 pack. It's got a bunch of pre-made materials which you can use for things like wood, metal, and other materials as well. The wood smart material I'm using here already has built-in grain, color variation, and edge highlights, so it saves a ton of time. For the metal, I used another smart material from the same pack. This one is also a fairly stylized looking metal material. Here's the final texture model. I did a few quick turntable renders in Marmoset 2back. The combination of clean modeling, detailed sculpting, and these stylized materials really bring the chest to life. If you want to check out the ZBrush brush pack or the 3DX Stylized Smart Material 3.0 I used in this video, I dropped the links in the video description. I hope you found this time-lapse helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know what kind of asset I should make next. Are you struggling to make your 3D environments look the way you imagined? In my Stylized Dungeon Interior Environment course, you'll learn the full workflow. Modeling in Blender, texturing in Substance, and building in Unreal 5. It's consistent, fast, and easy. Artists using this method are creating portfolio-ready scenes in just weeks. Click the link below, and you can do it without months of trial and error. The course release price won't stay that way for long. If you're watching, click the link now before it's gone.